Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a simple yet utterly delicious dish that's perfect for those times you're looking for something quick, healthy and satisfying. Tofu with egg, also known as tofu no tamagotoji. Let's get started! First up, slice your tofu into 1 cm thick pieces. Next, let's prepare the egg mixture. Crack the egg into a bowl, add the noodle soup base, and mix well. This will be the flavorful coating for our tofu. Heat some sesame oil in a frying pan. Once hot, add the tofu slices. Cook the tofu until it's nicely browned on one side, then flip. We are looking for a beautiful golden color. After flipping, pour the egg mixture over the tofu, reduce the heat to low, and cover the pan. We're gently cooking the egg to create a soft, savory layer over our tofu. Once the egg is cooked to your liking, it's time to add the finishing touches. Drizzle some mayonnaise, sprinkle Bonito flakes, and scatter chopped green onion over the top. And there you have it, a dish that's as delightful to look at as it is to eat. This tofu dish is not only quick to make but also incredibly tasty and healthy. It's perfect for those days when you need an extra dish on the table or when you're craving a light and nutritious meal. Let's look over what we used today. And that wraps up our cooking adventure for today. I hope you are excited to try this tofu with egg recipe at home as I was to share it with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around Japan. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy the delightful taste of Japanese cuisine. Bye bye!